This is for Kaika, so
This is for Kaiki, sir. No, are you recording right now?
Yeah.
You record
I'm Brandon Newman. I'm the caveman this, and I approve this message. This is for Kaika's revision.
Hey, this is going on Facebook, man. Everyone's gonna see the true skater within Newman.
The true beaner within Newman. Beaner.
Yeah. Okay, go. Get out of here, you Mexican. Oh.
Yellow bones, yellow lambs, yellow MPs, yellow white, yellow tall, shine, yellow living room set, yellow baby shoes for my child. My father sitting on sixes, no 20s in my gun. Because it's more than I can, because it is a lemon. And my life is under beaches, but you look more like a lemon. And my sour apple bitter bitches, I'm not fucking with them. I'm truly stupid paid, that's just how I feel today. I'm moving slow, these swirls in my lemonade. I'm smoking a good shade, and I'm selling lemonade. Season it up like the going right up in the A. Lemonade, diamond bracelet, put it in your face. Lemon head, diamond earrings I wore yesterday. I'm flipping wearing lemon, that's just how I'm chillin'. I'm smoking grapes and selling chickens, Corvette painted lemon. Scooch.
Holy shit.